Hello everyone, and welcome to Pinoy Tech Tips. Want to keep certain photos and videos out of sight without setting up the secure folder? Your Samsung Galaxy S26 gives you two easy ways to do it directly from the Gallery app. In this video, I'll show you how both methods work, how to access your hidden files again, and which option gives you better privacy. So let's dive right in. Let's start hiding photos, videos, or albums in the gallery using the Hide Albums feature. This is the easiest option if you simply don't want certain albums appearing in your gallery. Keep in mind that this doesn't lock your photos with a password or biometric security. It only hides the selected albums from the normal gallery view. Here's how it's done. First, open the Gallery app, then go to the Albums tab. Tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner, then select Hide Albums from the menu items. You'll now see a list of albums stored in your gallery. Find the album you want to hide, then turn on the switch next to it. You can hide multiple albums if necessary. Once you're finished, tap the back key. Your changes are saved automatically, and the selected albums will no longer appear with your other albums. This is useful for quickly cleaning up your gallery or keeping certain albums out of immediate view. But remember, they're only hidden. They're not protected from someone who knows where the Hide Album setting is. If you want stronger protection, the second method is the better choice. The second method uses the Gallery app's private album. Unlike simply hiding an album, private album protects your photos and videos using your phone's security, including biometric authentication. This makes it a much better option for personal photos or videos that you don't want other people accessing. To use it, open the Gallery app, then find the photos or videos you want to protect. To select multiple items, tap the three-dot menu, then tap Select. Tap each photo or video you want to hide. Once you've made your selections, tap the More icon or three dots at the bottom of the screen. From the menu that appears, tap Move to Private Album. When prompted, tap Move to confirm. The selected photos and videos will disappear from their original album and move into your private album. Now let's see how to access them again. From the main gallery screen, tap the menu icon at the bottom right corner, then tap Private Album. You'll be asked to verify your identity before the album opens. Use your fingerprint, face recognition, or your phone's PIN, pattern, or password to unlock it. Once you're authenticated, you'll see all the photos and videos you've moved to the private album. You can open, edit, share, or delete these files just like you normally would. You can also move them out of the private album whenever you want them to appear in your regular gallery again. If you use the first method, return to Gallery, open the Albums tab, then tap the three-dot menu and select Hide Albums. Turn off the switch next to the album you previously hid. The album will immediately appear in your gallery again. If you use Private Album, open the private album and unlock it. Select the photos or videos you want to restore, then use the available option to move them out of the private album. They'll return to the regular gallery where you can access them normally. And that's all there is to it. If you only want an album out of sight, Hide Albums is the quickest option. But if you're dealing with personal photos and videos that you actually want protected from other people, Private Album is the better choice because it requires authentication. And you can do all of this without setting up Samsung Secure Folder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Pinoy Tech Tips for more Samsung Galaxy S26 tips, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like this.